Managing multiple Apple IDs on your iPhone.
Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss a common question. Can I use different Apple IDs for different apps on my iPhone? This question often arises because users may want to keep personal and work apps separate, or maybe they share the device with other family members. Let's delve into it.
Can you have multiple Apple IDs on a single iPhone?
The simple answer is yes. You can have multiple Apple IDs associated with a single iPhone. However, it's essential to understand the limitations and how to manage this correctly.
What are the limitations?
Apple's design does not support using multiple Apple IDs simultaneously on the iPhone. You can sign into different Apple IDs for iCloud, the App Store, and iTunes Store, but you can't be signed into multiple Apple IDs at once for a single service. For instance, you cannot use one Apple ID for a Mail app and a different Apple ID for the Calendar app. Similarly, you cannot download an app from the App Store with one Apple ID, and then switch to another Apple ID to download a different app. This can create complications if you try to switch back and forth, including data loss, or some apps might stop working correctly.
How to use multiple Apple IDs effectively?
To use multiple Apple IDs, it's recommended to assign a specific purpose to each Apple ID. For example, use one for iCloud, for things like photos, documents, and contacts, and a different one for iTunes and the App Store, for purchasing and downloading apps or media. You can switch the Apple ID you're using in the App Store or iTunes without impacting your iCloud data. However, remember to not sign out of the Apple ID tied to your iCloud data, as it may lead to data loss. While it is possible to use different Apple IDs on your iPhone, the functionality is not as flexible as one might hope. Remember, the key is to use each Apple ID for a specific purpose and avoid frequent switching to prevent data loss or disruption of your apps. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding how you can use different Apple IDs on your iPhone. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.